Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you are running a Shopify store, one thing you might want to tweak is the font size of your menu. Maybe you want it bigger or smaller to match your store's style. Well, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you step by step on how to change the menu font size in Shopify without needing to know any coding. Let's dive in. First things first, let's access the Shopify theme editor. Here's how you do it. Log into your Shopify admin panel, then go to online store, then themes. Find the theme you are currently using, then customize. This is where you will be able to make changes to your store's look and feel. Once you are in the theme customizer, you will need to locate the header section. Where your menu is usually located, here's how. On the left hand side, look for the header option and click on it. Depending on your theme, you might see different settings under the navigation or menu section. The next step is where we will actually change the font size. Now change the font size. We will need to add a little custom CSS. Don't worry, this is easier than it sounds. In the theme customizer, go to theme settings. At the bottom left, in the CSS box, we will add a small snippet of code that will change the menu font size. Here's the code you need to add. Write ul.site nav li second bracket start, then enter. Font size 16 pixel, or adjust the font size as needed. You can change the 16 pixel value to whatever font size you want. Just type in the number you prefer, whether it's 18 pixel, 20 pixel, or whatever fits your design. Once you add the code, click on Save button at the top right corner. Now go ahead and preview your site. You should see the new font size for your main menu instantly. If it's not exactly what you want, just go back to CSS, custom CSS, and adjust the font size until it looks perfect. Then click save. Sometimes the changes might not show up right away, especially if there's cache involved. Here's what you can do. Clear your browser cache or try using incognito mode to see the changes. If the menu font size still isn't changing, your theme might have other CSS rules overriding the one you added. In that case, you can try adjusting the CSS selector. You can ask your theme support team if you run into issues. And that's it. You have successfully changed the font size of your menu in Shopify. It's a simple change, but it can make a huge difference in how your store looks and feels to your customers. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more Shopify tips, and drop any questions you have in the comments below. Thanks for watching.